Hello from the Speech Solution. This is the exceptional Easter eggs hybrid activity for green screen and in person. So for your green screen, you get 8 different backgrounds and they work on articulation skills, especially when you use our therapy cards, articulation cards, early language skills, vocabulary, and then 8 other different language concepts. We give you all the printables for in-person use. And then also don't worry, we sized them all up so they work perfect for every one of our backgrounds. And of course, you get 4 therapy cards that work on 11 different target sounds in the initial, medial, final positions, and 5 to 10 language concepts. All right, so this first one, this works on our articulation skills, and you're going to tell the children that they're going to decorate eggs, and you're going to give them lots of choices of different eggs that they can use, and they use a sentence for that. So a sample sentence for like a medial F would be, after I find eggs, I will make them look different and colorful. And after they work on that sentence, then they will take an egg and they will put it up on the egg and change it out. Or a simple sentence that a child could use is, let me color an egg. I like the color purple. And then look at my pretty egg. Okay. Next one is, this is for spatial concepts. So you would just take eggs and hide them around in the garden. You can put them between things, under, on, whatever concept skill that you want to teach. We're working on between with this one, and the child would find the eggs, tell you where they found them, and then also you can have them take eggs and hide them in the garden using spatial concepts. All right, this is our pronoun background, and what I would suggest you do is just hide eggs all over the meadow, wherever you want to, and then talk about how the kids are going to find eggs. And then when they find an egg, you can put it in their basket and talk about that. So you can say, who has an egg? They have an egg, and this is their basket. Good job. And this egg is theirs. This basket belongs to them. And you can go through and work on all the different kids in this one for pronoun usage. Okay, and this one is to work on descriptions. So you would tell the kids that they have to decorate an egg, but they need to tell you, what color is in their what color does the decoration have that they want to use, what shape, and then they'll pick one out, and then you can put it on the board after they use the menu bar at the top. Okay, next one. This is for quantity, works on whole and half. So you can tell them that on this side, they're going to make the eggs whole, and on this side, they're going to decorate half of the egg. So that, again, they can use the menu bar at the top, choose what color they're going to use, and we're going to put this one, a whole egg here. And then we're going to talk about doing half of an egg here with the color. They can also add another half if they want of a different color, and talk about how half is stripe and half is yellow, and this one's whole. So quantity concepts. All right, next one. So this one is to work on categorization. So you're going to reach into the grass and pull out one of the category cards that we give you 8 different ones. And so this one says, okay, we're going to have to put eggs in the basket. Eggs without color are going to go in this basket, and eggs with color are going to go in this basket. And then you're going to hold up an egg and say, okay, which basket does this one go in? Does it have color, or is it without color? All right, that's right. So it's without color, so we're going to put it in this basket. And what about this one? Yes, that has color, so we're going to put it in this basket. And so there's 8 different categories that we give you to work on, and and use that. Okay, and then this one is for plurals, and you're going to tell the children that let's look inside all of these different containers and find the surprises. And so you're going to pull out, they're going to tell you which container to look inside. And so we're going to look inside the chest, and oh, look, how many eggs are in there? 2 eggs, plurals, 2 eggs. And then let's look inside the bucket and see what's in there. Oh, there's 1 egg, 1 egg, 2 eggs. And then all of the containers have multiple groups of eggs and single eggs to work on plurals. All right, and this one is going to be used for following directions. So you're going to tell the kids that we're going to look inside the basket and we're going to get a card out and we have to do what the card says. So this is what you have to do. First, show me the yellow egg, and they would have really simple little eggs cut out at home that they can do. First, show me the yellow egg. Next, show me the blue egg. And last, show me the red egg. So they would follow those directions. You reach in, get another one. Hold the blue egg in the air, hop up and down 4 times, and say, I'm a funny bunny. So we give you, again, 8 different following direction cards, and you can use just 1 part or 2 parts or 3 parts, depending on the child's ability level. All right. Oh, let me go back because I forgot this. This is also used for questions. And so we give you some written questions that you can use on our language cards. And each time the child answers a question, then they get to put an egg into the basket. So some of the questions and samples are, what do you carry eggs in? And when they answer that, then they get to put an egg in the basket. And then where can you find eggs? When do you eat eggs? Why do children carry baskets? So we just give them all kinds of different questions that you can use with them and fill up your egg basket. Okay, so if you are interested in a hybrid activity that works on 11 different target sounds, early language skills, and 8 different language concepts, then go check out the exceptional Easter egg activity at thespeechsolution.com. And let's watch a child's speech take flight.